This is our dinner snack fruit juice. Apples, strawberries, and blueberries. I'm really hungry. And
Starving.
yes.
I want a cheeseburger from McDonald's. Maybe 2.
You and your cheeseburger. I just want.
And I don't even eat cheeseburgers from McDonald's. They're disgusting and I want it. I'm just
I
saying.
just keep positive thinking and forward thinking and looking forward to the goal.
Positive thinking.
Otherwise, I'm just gonna give up.
I'm so hungry.
Let's see if this juice helps us.
Okay, should I turn it off?
No, just tape a little bit and then you can turn it off.
Alright.
Everybody knows. Then we chug it and we are happy. Until next time we get hungry and then we do a video again. You think soft stuff first?
Yeah, do the berries first. See how much juice they have.
Look at that strawberry juice.
It looks like carrot juice over here on camera.
Yellow or something?
Yeah, it just looks kind of orange.
Hold on.
Oh, it smells so good.
It smells like strawberries.
All right,
I can't think of anything else.
I'm gonna shut it off.
Okay, hold on. I wanna show on camera how nice it looks.
Oh, it smells so good. Oh,
I know
yeah.
you can appreciate it.
That
over
looks
the camera.
pretty.
Yeah, it's nice.
All right.
Bye bye.